Exercise 3.10, Problem 1, Division 5. Multiply and write your answers in the lowest form. 3x square plus 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2 minus x minus 2, 2x square minus 3x minus 2, 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So let's start factorizing each one. So we need to factorize 3x square plus 2x minus 1. I've got it done here, both the methods. I'm doing it by this method as well as by this method. Whichever suits you, you can take it. The key is 3 coefficient of x square and the constant, that is minus 3, needs to be split in such a way we get 2, right? So minus 3 can be split as 3 into minus 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So it meets the criteria. Now coefficient of x squared, so this 3 is there, but we have the coefficient of x square in this case is 3, so this both needs to be divided by 3, right? You remember last time I told you, whenever the coefficient of x square is 1, we can stop here and straight away, right? But since it is more than 1, we need to divide both by that number. So 3 divided by 3, it simplifies to 1 by 1, and minus 1 is divided by 3, it cannot be simplified, we leave it there as it is. Now this bottom denominator will come as a coefficient of x and this numerator will come as a constant. So it will be 1x plus 1 or x plus 1, and this will become 3x minus 1. So the factors are x plus 1 and 3x minus 1, which is what we got here. But this method, that we have to write the 2x in terms of these two numbers. So we will write this 2x as 3x minus x minus 1. Now you can take x commonly out. 3x commonly out. You will get 3x into x plus 1. We want to get the same x plus 1 here. So you have to take minus 1 commonly out from these two. When you take minus 1, it will become x plus 1. So now you can take x plus 1 and this will become 3x minus 1. You are getting the same answer. You can do by this method or this method. Whichever suits you, you can do it. The same for the next polynomial, right? So this is 2x square minus 3x minus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 needs to be split in such a way we get minus 3. That is minus 4. I'm sorry. So minus 4 is minus 4 into 1 and minus 4 plus 1 is 3. So it meets the criteria. Now let's continue here because the coefficient of x square here in this case is 2. Right, so this minus 4 divided by the quotient of x square, this simplifies as minus 2 divided by 1, and this divided by 2 will remain as it is, it cannot be simplified anymore. This is the coefficient of x and this is the constant, so the factor is x minus 2. This is the coefficient of x, the denominator is the coefficient of x, the numerator is a constant in addition, so it will become 2x plus 1. So the factors are x minus 2 and 2x plus 1. Now let's continue with this other method. Oh, okay, in this case right, so that minus 3x is written as minus 4x plus x minus 2. So 2x can be taken commonly out. So 2x into x minus 2, and you want to get the same x minus 2 here. So you just need to take 1 out. So you'll get x minus 2 between these two terms. Now you can take x minus 2 commonly out. It will become x minus 2 into 2x plus 1. That's what you got here also. Alright, so let's go to the third term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, right? Note that down. In here it was 2, it was 3. So you had to divide it in this in the other method. Now it's 1, so we can stop halfway through. So minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. So minus 2 needs to be split. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So since the coefficient of x square is 1, we can stop here. You add x to this, you'll get the factor. So you'll get x minus 2 and x plus 1 as the two factors. But we'll continue with our method. So we are writing minus x as minus 2x plus x. So you can take x commonly out. When you take, you'll get x into x minus 2. And x minus 2 is the same here. You'll have to take 1 commonly out. So 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 can be taken commonly out. So you'll get x plus 1. So it will become x plus 1 into x minus 2. Right? The last one, I'm not doing by this method because it will become very congested here. You can do it on your own. I'll do by the normal method. So 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 6 can be factorized as minus 6 into 1. 6 into minus 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So this 5x can be written as 6x minus x. Now we can take 3 commonly out. you will get 3x into x plus 2. You are getting the same x plus 2. You want to get the same x plus 2 out of this. So you take minus 1 out. So you will get x plus 2. So x plus 2 is taken out and 3x minus 1 will be the other factor. So now you got all the 4 factorized. So put them down here. So 3x square plus 2x minus 1, which is this. So that comes down. X plus 1 with 3x minus 1. And this is x square minus x minus 2, which is this, right? So x plus 1 into x minus 2. And 2x square minus 3x minus 2. So this one. So that is x minus 2 into 2x plus 1. That comes down here. And 3x square plus 5x minus 2, which is this. And this will come down here. Right, now if you see, x plus 1 will cancel. 3x minus 1 will cancel. X minus 2 will cancel. And you will be left with 2x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this is the lowest form. Okay, so the key is you have to factorize each and every polynomial and cancel out all the common factors. Thanks for watching this video.